Hey, buddy. Is that good? Is that good? Is that good, Liam? What are you eating? You've got some cheese and rice and beans. Is that yummy? Oh, Patches. Hi. You can't wait for him to drop it all, huh? So you can scoop it up. Mmm, that's yummy. Alright, good job. Well, can't chew on your fingers. Alright, good job, Liam. Oh, it's a big one.